Hey everyone, Demian here, back with another box break. Just trying to share the hobby with everyone, really enjoying it. Today we have something really cool. 2018 Topps Museum Collection. It's a product I always look forward to. It's a really nice product, no matter who you get in there. Nice Aaron Judge on the box there this year. Looks like you get 4 mini boxes and one of each card below is guaranteed. So on card autograph relic, quad relic, prime relic. Let's see what we get. This box is really light. Doesn't feel like there's anything at all in there. So I hope there is. Super, super light. Oh yeah, there's stuff in there. Cool. So we got that. And that. And that. And that. Really awesome. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I usually get one box of this stuff. One. Let's see what you get. You just never know. Usually it's one box is enough to get something cool. So let's see what we got in here. Let's see, is maybe last year I got a laundry tag. I think it was. So right out of the bat, we got Aaron Judge base. So that's pretty cool. Don't need to hunt down that anymore. We got Barry Larkin base. These aren't super thick, the base. Like Tribute and all that stuff is, I think, a little thicker. And what do we got here? Looks like behind here's the hit. So do Josh Donaldson. We have a blue Roger Maris, numbered to 150. That's pretty cool. I like the blues. And our first hit is quad relic of Goldschmidt, Lamb, Greinke, and AJ Pollock. I like the Jake Lamb one. The diamonds. That's pretty cool. Very nice. And I think that's numbered out of 75. It looks like 18 out of 75. So that's pretty nice. Mini box number 2. Good start. Got a Judge and quad relic in that one. Can't really complain about any of these just because they look so nice. They look really pretty. Alright, starting out with a Rizzo base. A Adam Jones base. Justin Upton base, and I think behind that's the relic or hit. So we'll do bronze Pujols. These are not numbered. The bronze, I think it's the step up from base. And then our hit would be a Yankee, as of now. Numbered 15 of 25, Clint Frazier. So that's really nice. That looks pretty cool. Auto triple relic. Pretty cool. Very nice card. Go Yanks, right? Definitely my wife's favorite. I try not to play favorites for teams. More of a player guy. If you've watched any of my videos, I tend to really enjoy a lot of different players. Just watching them, rooting for them. Makes some games interesting. And you have a couple of your favorites against each other. You never know. All right. We'll start out with a base Buster Posey. Very nice card. David Ortiz base. a Canvas Collection Piazza. That's pretty cool. That'd be a reproduction, I'm pretty sure. We'll check here in a second. And then we got a bronze Ted Williams. Another nice card. And then this one is a reproduction, Mike Piazza. Then our hit is on card auto Starling Marte, 199 of 299. Nice card. I like the on cards this year. Not sure they needed that big of a circle, but it's pretty cool. I would have made it a diamond. Baseball diamond, not a diamond diamond. Pretty cool. Last one. This right here, by the way, is the set. Top set. 2018 top set. Shohei Ohtani. I think it was $49.99 this year for the set. Found it at Wally World there. And it comes with, the one I found comes with 5 image variation rookies, and also had an Acuna and a Glaber base card in there, which was nice. And then it also had a 1 Chrome rookie card, and I got Victor Robles, so it's pretty cool. All right, last one we have Jacob deGrom base, Cody Bellinger base. That's pretty cool. Oh, Jackie Robinson. It's always nice to get a Jackie card. Behind him is hiding the hit, so we'll go with the last one. Bronze, Yu Darvish. Pretty nice. All right, last one. I think this is the Prime Relic. So we got Cardinals, Dexter Fowler. Number to 50. Yeah, right there. Looks like it's number 24 out of 50. That's pretty cool right there. Not sure what uni that's from. Looks like it could be a letter, maybe. Or, I don't know. What do you think? It's very black and whitish. Not sure what that is. Anyway, yeah, really nice. So, a couple of hits we got. The Prime, Dexter Fowler. The on-card, Starling Marte. Auto. We got a triple relic auto of Clint Frazier, rookie card. Number 25. And the pretty cool Diamondbacks quad. Primary Pieces, it's called. Out of 75. It's got some pretty cool ones on there. I like that. Pretty cool. So that is it. Like I said, I usually get one of these boxes, but I might try another one. I like them so much. It's hard to not go for a couple more of those when you know you're going to get 4 nice cards out of there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and hope you get a big hit, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.